In this video, I want to introduce a new indicator on TradingView that will blow your mind. You should have this indicator in your trading strategy. Here, you just need to click on indicators and search rolling ATR bands, this one, which is written by Fluxchart. Alright, as you can see, a band is added to the chart, something like Bollinger Bands or Keltner channels, but this is different. This indicator uses ATR to create this band around the price, which can act as a dynamic support and resistance level. First, we go to the settings of the indicator, and here we remove break labels and retest labels because they are distracting and we're not going to use them for trading decisions. Alright, as I said, these bands are dynamic and they adapt with market volatility. We see widening of the band during high volatility and contracting during low volatility. As I said, the bands act like a dynamic support and resistance levels. The upper band acts as a dynamic resistance level, and you can see that usually when the price reaches to this band, there is a pause and reversal of the price, and the lower band acts as a dynamic support level, and usually when the price reaches to this band, we have a pause and return of the price to the other way. Better not to focus on these signals for trade entry because many of the times they just happen in the pullbacks, or if the momentum is strong, the price just move on the line like here as you can see. The best use case of the upper band and lower band is for setting stop loss and trailing stop loss. As I said, the band is built based on ATR, and ATR is a perfect indicator for setting stop loss. As you know, in this indicator we have this ATR generated bands that are just overlaid on the price chart, providing a dynamic support and resistance levels just around the price as you can see. So for example, when we are entering a short position, we can place the stop loss above the upper band and we can just trail the stop loss above the band while our position is open. If moving stop loss is part of your trading strategy, you can use it like this. And on the other hand, when you open a long position, you can place your stop loss below the band. As I said, this is a dynamic band based on volatility, so you can be sure that during high volatility times, your stop loss is farther away from trade entry, and during low volatility, your stop loss is closer. But this is not all, and this indicator also combines RSI, super trend, and EMA crossovers to calculate a score for evaluating the strength of trends in the market, and the score is reflected on the bands by the help of three colors as you can see. When it is red, it shows a bearish trend, when it is green, a bullish trend, and in times that it is gray like here or here in this part, it is a neutral situation or flat market. You can clearly see that here the market is flat during this pullback and the indicator is gray. Again, here we have flat market when this reversal is happening and the indicator is gray as you can see. Also in this part, and also during this flat market, you can see that the bands are gray. Before that, they are green, showing uptrend. And after the flat market, the bands became red, showing downtrend. As you can see, this indicator, besides helping you with measuring volatility by giving you a dynamic band based on ATR, it also helps you with identifying trends and measuring the strength of trends by the help of the color of the bands, which, as I explained earlier, it's based on RSI, super trend, and EMA crossover. You can effectively use this indicator with other TradingView indicators buy-sell signals. To show you an example, I add Lorentzian classification. This one, machine learning Lorentzian classification, which is an editor specs indicator and written by J.D. Horty. This is a very powerful buy-sell signal indicator that is built based on a machine learning algorithm. Green labels are buy signals and red labels are sell signals. For example, this buy signal here is rejected because the bands are red, but this sell signal here is a confirmed signal because before the signal the market was flat and before that downtrend. So here we are in the process of downtrend continuation. So the signal is confirmed and we could take it in practice. This buy signal here is rejected because the bands are red. This sell signal here is also rejected because the bands are green. But this buy signal here is confirmed because here it's gray and before that it was green. So we are taking a signal probably at at the end of the pullback, and this buy signal here is confirmed. And as I explained earlier, you can use the bands for setting stop losses. This was just an example how you can use this indicator in conjunction with other indicators, and in practice this indicator can be used with any other indicators or aspects of technical analysis for setting stop loss, trend confirmation, trend identification, and measuring volatility. This indicator is a great tool to be used in your trading strategy because it gives you measure of volatility, and by the help of the dynamic band that it provides for you, you can effectively set your stop losses. And besides volatility, it also helps you with trends and measuring the strength of trends in the market. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trade.